Hey everyone, so today we are washing our bike and I got all the equipments here with me. I'll show you step by step how I do my bike wash at home, that too a foam wash. So you'll easily find this kind of device at any store or DMart. I got it from DMart. You just keep putting the pressure.